Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about 7 data security measures all businesses should take. So data security is a top priority for all businesses regardless of their size or industry. In today's digital world, businesses are constantly connecting, storing and transmitting sensitive data such as customer information, financial data and intellectual property. Introduction. This data is a valuable asset to businesses that also makes them a target for cyber attacks. That's why it is important for businesses to implement data security measures to protect their data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, and destruction. In this video, we're going to discuss 7 data security measures that are all business should take. Implement data security policy, use strong password and enable multi-factor authentication, educate your employees on data security, keep your software updated, use a firewall and antivirus software and back up your data regularly, have a database response plan in place. In details, implement a data security policy. A data security policy is a document that outlines your organization approach to data security. It should define your organization data security requirements, including how data should be accessed, used, stored, and disposed of. Your data security policy should be include procedures for responding to data breaches. Use a strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Weak passwords are one of the most common ways for hackers to gain to a computer access system and data. That's why it is important to businesses to require their employees to use a strong password to enable multi-factor authentications. Strong passwords are at least 12 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase numbers, symbols. MFA adds an extra layer of security to accounts by requiring user to enter code from their phone in addition to their password when logging in. Educate your employees on data security. Employees are often weakest link in the security chain. That's why it is important to educate your employees on data security best practices. How your data security training should be cover topics such as how to create and use a strong password, how to identify and avoid phishing emails, and how to protect data on mobile devices. What to do if you suspect a data breach. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often includes security patches that you can protect your system from unknown vulnerabilities. That's why it is important to keep your software up to date and include your operating system, web browser and applications. Use a firewall and antivirus software. A firewall and antivirus software can help you to protect your system and from malware and other cyber threats. A firewall monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic and blocks unauthorized traffic. Antivirus software scan your system for malware and remove any infection. Backup your data regularly in the event of data breaches or other disaster. It is important to have a backup your data. This is why you can restore your data and minimize downtime. There are many different ways to backup your data, such as backing up to cloud storage service, backing up to external hard drive, backing up to a tape drive. Have a data breaches response plan. A data breaches response plan is a document that outlines your organization steps to responding to the data breach. It should include a step for detecting, containing, investigating, remediating data breaches, and your data breach response plan should include steps notifying active affected individuals and regulators of data breaches. In conclusion, by taking these 7 data security measures, business can help to protect their data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or distraction. It is important to note that the data security is an ongoing process. Businesses should regularly review and update their data security measures to ensure that they are effective against latest cyber threats. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.